There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. And it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love, you showed me how